Linking your bank to Airfocus can streamline your financial management and enhance your project planning. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create an Airfocus account. Visit the Airfocus website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary information and verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to integrations. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Look for the integrations section in the main menu. This is where you can manage connections to various services, including your bank. Step 3. Select your bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Authenticate your bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank login credentials. This may include your username, password, and possibly two-factor authentication. Ensure that you are using a secure connection during this process. Step 5. Confirm and save. After successfully logging in, review the permissions that Airfocus will have with your bank account. Confirm the connection and save your settings. You should receive a notification indicating that your bank is now linked. By following these steps, you can effectively link your bank account to Airfocus, allowing for better financial insights and project management. If you encounter any issues, consult the Airfocus support resources for further assistance.